Nikon Z6. This camera from Nikon has a perfect blend of features, performance, handling, and price tag. It has the 24.5 megapixel sensor that produces great color reproductions and fine detail. Its 273-point AF system works really well and has excellent frame coverage. This camera is also packed with 12 frames per second burst shooting mode, sensibly laid out controls, and a viewfinder. This camera also has an adapter that you can set on any other Nikon devices you already had. This Nikon Z6 is perfect for people who are looking for a second body. Sony A7 III. This Sony A7 III comes with a modest 24 megapixel sensor and a sensor-based stabilization that will ease your mind about your lens's placement. The battery of this camera can last for up to 710 shots, which is very impressive for a mirrorless camera. The Sony A7 III is also packed with video specific and the EyeAF feature for tack-sharp portraits. Sony A7 IV. This full-frame camera from Sony has an extremely high resolution of 61 megapixel sensor and up to 42.4 megapixels in the last version. However, you have to remember that this excellent camera demands careful shooting for the best result. Its 4K video quality is also great too. Sony A7 III. The Sony A7 III is packed with various features and specs such as touchscreen, touch interface, full-size HDMI port, and improved in-body image stabilization. This camera is also supported by back-illuminated 12.1 megapixel full-frame sensor and by an Z6 processor that produces impressive image quality, particularly at high ISOs. This camera also comes with powerful autofocus system and 12.1 megapixel resolution. Nikon Z7 III. This Nikon Z7 III is known to be a sturdy camera wrapped on water-resistant magnesium alloy body, which may be quite heavy for some people. This camera can deliver a good image quality thanks to its 24.5 megapixel sensor. This camera is also supported by Nikon's X-Speed 6 image processor. This Nikon Z7 III is also supported by the 273-point on-chip face detection system, which ensures fast and reliable autofocus performance when using live view on the tilting touchscreen. Nikon Z7. This camera from Nikon is packed with a solid sensor combined with effective image stabilization. Together with a beautiful EVF, excellent handling, competent AF performance, and great response. You can also use f-mount lenses through the FTZ adapter on this camera.